Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can access file manager without having access to cPanel. So first of all, let me go in website dashboard and we need to install a free plugin. You can go here and search for file manager. So you can find out multiple plugins. So I will recommend this one. You can see 1 million plus active installations. You can easily install and activate this plugin. Now you can go here and on left side you can go and click on file manager, and here you can access all of the website files, and you can also check and see all the plugins that you have installed. For example, let me go in content, then plugins. So these are the plugins that are installed in this website. So if I scroll down, here you can see this one, Translate, and if I delete this plugin from here, now let me go back and reload this page. Now plugin is deleted.